Today I'm joined by Andrew Richards, Executive Director of Big River Gold. Andrew, thanks for joining me today.
I'm pleased to be here. Thank you for inviting me.
Andrew, tell me a little bit about you and your background.
Well, ostensibly a geologist, but I've worked in a lot of mines and banks situations, managing corporates. Seen a lot of different mines at different stages and from exploration right through to closure.
And tell me about Big River Gold.
Look, Big River has had some great assets, and particularly the one we were focusing on today. It lost its way a little bit in the last couple of years. So we had a new team that came in. We revitalised the company, changed the management somewhat, and certainly cut costs, focused on our key assets, and we've removed our non-core assets to good homes.
So, Andrew, what makes the project so exciting?
Yeah, large project. It's in the northeast part of Brazil, which is fully permitted. Technically, it's a very sound project, very confident.
Yeah.
It's now making the numbers, improving the CapEx and improving the OpEx as well.
Andrew, I understand that management team of Big River are heavily invested into the company.
They certainly are at the board and management level. There's been some very strong support, particularly from our chairman, but also from other shareholders who've been there for quite a long time with faith in this project.
Moving across to market speculation now, obviously gold is a hot topic. What sort of impact has this attention had on junior gold developers such as Big River Gold?
I think there's always been a lot of interest in this project. But I think now we can honestly say that we're actually riding what I think is an upturn in the cycle for gold. In times past, people wondered why wasn't gold reacting to certain macroeconomic factors. Well, I think you're starting to see that they are. A lot of the other glamour metals have sort of lost their shine a bit. There's a bit of instability. Interest rates are really down. Yeah. And really gold is not just a safe haven, but also a really good natural hedge. We'll be operating mostly in Brazilian real, and so any exchange rate improvements, as in the Aussie dollar or the real to the US dollar, combined with the increase in gold price, can only augur well for us.
Now, Andrew, if there was one message you could leave investors and shareholders of Big River Gold, what would that be?
It's a project whose time has come. It's been there long enough. It's being brought online in time for the gold cycle. No matter how you value it, whether it's dollars per ounce in the ground or what we expect to be a good operating cost, if you can keep the operating costs, you can always sell gold. And that's what we intend to do.
Fantastic. Well, promising times ahead for the team at Big River. Andrew, thank you so much for joining me today. It was a pleasure.
Thank you very much for having me.